Hey, have you ever considered working for a remote call center? Seriously, a remote call center. This would be something that you're probably familiar with already. When you call into your local utility company and instead of getting somebody immediately, you're getting somebody who doesn't per se speak the best English and can't assist you on something because, well, they're not in the United States because they were outsourced over to India or wherever they're located for their call center. You could do the same thing here in the United States or around the world from your home. You heard that. Working from home, being a call center representative. You could be a call center representative for a local power company. You could be a call center representative for hypothetically Best Buy or Amazon or any number of different large scale companies. Or maybe it's a small business like mine where I would prefer not to have to be on the phone all the time during the day when I could be working on something else that is helping my business grow and create an income rather than answering the phone every 5 minutes going, hey, hold on, I'm in the middle of doing something, or hey, I'm with a customer, hold on, I'll get back to you in just a second, and put them on hold and make them sit there for 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever, to assist somebody in person, and then go back to them. Where I could have, if I wanted, my own remote call center. I could have a dedicated phone number set up, and it could automatically forward any calls from that to one of my call center representatives. And in which case, that would automatically go to the representative. They would be able to go, okay, thanks for calling such and such a company. This is my name. How can I help you? And then that customer or caller could go, okay, I'm a client for Consult the Blind Guy, and I'm having an issue with, we'll say hypothetically, placing an order online for ordering an income booster book. That representative could then go, okay, what is your issue on the website for ordering the book? Maybe the link's not working. Maybe the web page is having an issue because maybe PayPal or Stripe or whatever the payment processor isn't currently working. Their website crashed, so it's not processing, so there's an error. And in which case they could go, okay, well, there seems to be an issue here, and we'll get that taken care of for you. And in which case they could go, okay, what's your name? What's your billing address? What's your shipping address? What's your payment information? And then they can turn around and be able to process that information and be able to help that customer get their purchase finished. Or, it could be a tech support call for figuring out how to do NVDA or JAWS or whatever the situation may be. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next time, have a great day or evening, and we'll see you in the next episode.